Hey guys, in this video, I've already been playing this game because I got the record. But in this video, I'm gonna be playing the game called I don't know what it's called, but Steak made it. He's a very famous YouTuber, but I've just started it, so I'm bad. But let's play. You can tell I'm bad because I literally have the really Larry laugh. So let's go. You know how to pause it's like God, jeez. I was trying to climb up there for a hack. Wait. I could buy this.
Uber.
Need to make this. Wait. Let's see there. Let's see if I can make it over there. Come on. I at least need to make it. Come on. I don't know if I should grab that. Jump. Let's go get on.